Hi, I'm Renee Sands. I'm the owner of Exvitrum Glass Studio. I'm a stained glass, fused glass, and flamework glass artist, and I also teach stained glass and fused glass classes. I use my Wazer Pro to cut glass pieces that are going to be used in my beginner stained glass classes and in stained glass parties. I find that a lot of people are really interested in trying stained glass, but they're intimidated by the glass cutting. My beginner classes start with the kits already precision cut by the Wazer, so the students can focus on the easier and the less time-intensive foiling and soldering steps. Everyone walks away with a beautiful sun catcher in 2 to 3 hours with very low stress. I also sell the kits to hobbyists who want to make something at home but aren't ready to invest in more than a basic soldering iron or don't have the dedicated space a glass studio requires. What do you like most about Wazer? I love that cutting with the Wazer allows me to provide kits for classes and for hobbyists that can have more complex shapes and beautiful textured glass that oftentimes is too frustrating for the beginners to cut. How does Wazer compare to your previous method? I love introducing people to stained glass, and I just wouldn't be able to offer as many classes, each with a different design, without the Wazer. My class sizes range from 8 to 15, and some classes are offered multiple times depending on the demand. As an example, the butterfly in this video took the Wazer approximately 21 minutes of cutting time for 10 butterflies. I can't even begin to estimate how long it would take me to hand cut and grind those pieces to fit. So let's just say that I wouldn't be doing classes in any kind of volume if I did not have the Wazer to cut these kits.